Natural gas has shown a major swing. It is formed, achieved a double top levels close to 3.6 levels and has dropped and bridged the gap towards 3.4 and below levels. Now, what to expect today from net gas? Is it going to give a second red candle and achieve the 20 period moving average towards 3.1, 3.2 levels? Or we can again expect a rise here. Which position in order to profit trading net gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start. We'll start with the hourly charts, move towards the daily charts, and in the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end, and yes, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support for me, great motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see after the drop, this is the retracement. You can see there is a reversal sign again. There is a flat candle is seen at the top and an indecision candle is seen. Thus, if you see the price is staying above 3.54, that is the point at which one can again initiate a buying position. But then 3.54, 56, 58 on 3.6. As long as 3.6 is respected, we are not going to treat gas as bullish and we cannot expect it to give the bullish signs. Now see where the reversal has come from. It has precisely come from the same levels again, and thus it has formed a double top and trying to trade with a bearish bias. Now at the same time, one must note after the sharp drop, it has seen a very good recovery and lower highs are formed. Lower highs, lower lows suggest that it can possibly move towards again on the downside, but we have to trade with extra caution here. If you look at stochastic, this is trading with bearish bias. MACD is almost flat and at a zero line. RSI is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Coming to two, if you look at the 2 hour chart, the resistance at top, second red candle, and if you look at the moving averages, these are still trading with a bullish bias, still trading with divergence, suggestive of bullishness. At the same time, lower highs is what is reflective of the prevailing bearishness. But I have mentioned several times, I am repeating it again, and I will continue to repeat it again. As long as 3.05, 3.02 levels are respected for net gas, we should not be treating bearishness here, or we should not be expecting bearishness in net gas, and every dip is an opportunity to buy. Now, this is the maximum support levels here at 3.28, 3.3 levels, where gas may find a support, and at these levels you will decide what can be expected out of gas here. Our stochastic looking down, MACD is still trading bearish, it is divergent, it tried to cross over, failed to do so. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, double top here. After the double top, the drop retracement, and it can possibly yield lower lows. We have to watch out carefully. Lower lows, which means movement towards $3.3 levels. And yes, if the price is, if you see, staying below 3.45 again, you can sell here at 3.45 and expect it to continue on the downside. So 3.45 is going to remain the first support, below which you can expect 3.4, 3.3 levels as the next target. Yes, we may see 3.3. Stochastic has retraced here. MACD trading with divergence, bearishness, looking downwards. It has continued its move on the downside, and right now it has almost hit the bottom of this. And I will observe how it behaves at current levels, that is 3.45 levels. So right now it is at 3.52, but still there, even if it tries to trade with a drop, we have to observe carefully that whether it is willing to reverse or not. If you find a support on the downside and uh, price is failing to stay below, we can again possibly expect a reversal. This is also possible. These are markets, anything is possible. Stochastic is RSI has dropped, it was overbought earlier. Coming to the 4 hour charts, what has happened? Moving averages, prices were divergent from the moving average. For once, it has breached the moving average. Now again, try to retrace. Also, if you look at the candles here, lower highs are seen, and it is trying to trade slight bearish. We can again expect a price to move with slight bearish bias towards 3.48, 3.45 levels. But then also, we are not going to treat this as bearish. Only below 3.45 is where further bearishness may prevail, where one can look forward to 3.4, 3.3 levels. And on the upside, we can expect it to give a rise. If you, anyways, 3.55, which is definitely a greater resistance, above 3.55, more bullishness is going to prevail here. Stochastic flat, MACD divergent, MACD bearish, and this crossover has come at a higher levels. We have seen it yesterday. Again and again, I am highlighting the same point. This calls for a further retracement here on the downside. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily charts here. See double top levels and a red candle lower lows are seen here. This is a extreme swing. And yes, once the price stays below this zone at 3.4544, more bearishness is going to prevail. One can make the most out of this move. See the next candle when it starts, and if you see the price is staying below 3.48 itself, one can sell and expect 3.45, 3.4, and 3.35, 3.3 levels as well. Yes, it can yield a sharper red candle, achieve the moving average before looking forward to upside move. Right now, what it is trying to do, because see this is a breakout here, and now the moving averages have starting to look upwards. So for next couple of days we can see just prices consolidating a bit so that the moving averages can come up, then the retracement, and then the upward move may resume. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bullishness, and if you look at this is extreme, the candle size have started to diminish. Thus today again we can expect natural gas to trade with a bearish bias. RSI is overbought. Now, before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October, 16th of October. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Remember, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Invest in your learning first, which can reap the profits throughout the life for you. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, for the day, only buying proposition in net gas is at 3.55 levels. If you see the price is staying above 3.55, one can again initiate a buying position there. But with a caution note that it is only about 3.58 and 3.6 is where the bulls will take over. Else the chances of a drop will still exist. Now 3.58 we have seen a greater resistance there at 3.58, 3.6, and you have to be cautious of that. On the downside, you can sell here at 3.48, but then 3.45, 3.4, and then below 3.4 I will expect it to drop towards 3.3, which is going to be a great support, and 3.2 levels. Though these levels are achievable, I will still expect that this is just a retracement and a possibility of a reversal sooner or later. If not this week or next week, most probably we can see a bounce back in the near future, which may take the prices towards 4. So right now this is trying to retrace a little. Possibly today, if you talk about, there will be slight bearishness. That is my expectation. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great motivation for me. And stay tuned. Join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live market updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with more updates for NetGuess. Press the bell icon. Thank you.